Today, we're exploring some thrilling new leaks surrounding the upcoming Huawei Pura 80 series, particularly its upgraded video recording capabilities. If you're passionate about mobile videography and smartphone photography, you'll definitely want to stick around, because what Huawei appears to be developing could significantly disrupt the current camera phone landscape. So, let's dive straight in. Huawei's Pura lineup has consistently earned praise for exceptional still image performance, but when it comes to video capture, it has typically lagged behind its top-tier competitors. That might be about to shift in a major way. A fresh rumor from a reliable Weibo-based source, going by the name Fixed Focus, claims the Huawei Pura 80 range will introduce game-changing video features. Now, that might sound a bit intense, but it strongly hints at major enhancements on the horizon. Huawei is clearly putting a serious emphasis on advancing its video systems this time around. And if these reports are accurate, we may be looking at a massive evolution in smartphone video production. To grasp how significant this shift could be, let's take a quick look back. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, which currently leads as the flagship model, topped DxOMark's smartphone camera rankings. It was commended for its rich color reproduction and quick, reliable autofocus system. However, despite delivering stellar results in photography, its video quality performance was less impressive. DxOMark noted that the Pura 70 Ultra struggled with visual noise in videos. It was a step up from Huawei's previous Mate 60 Pro Plus, but still didn't quite match the best video-focused devices available today. Now, Huawei appears determined to close that gap, or better still, take the lead entirely. The Pura 80 lineup is anticipated to bring in a wave of meaningful upgrades. While full specifications are still under wraps, the leaked info reveals some exciting possibilities. We're expecting 4K video capture support, AI-enhanced shooting modes, and potentially built-in advanced video editing tools. These additions would represent a major leap over the Pura 70 series, giving users expanded creative options for content creation. But there's more. Huawei is reportedly developing an ultra-slim camera design for the Pura 80 series. The company is said to be testing next-gen camera sensors, which could bring substantial innovation to mobile optics. Now, let's talk about the premium model, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. According to the leaks, this device may feature a dual periscope telephoto system. Yes, dual periscope. That's extremely rare, and if true, could provide outstanding zoom clarity, particularly for video and detailed close-up recording. Another major addition we could see is a 10x optical zoom lens, which may be reserved for the Ultra variant. This enhancement would dramatically elevate macro video and photo performance, allowing users to capture distant subjects with minimal quality loss. While the camera housing may resemble the previous generation visually, the big story is likely what's happening internally, with hardware improvements, new sensor technology, and AI-powered software optimization. Now, you might be asking, will these upgrades actually put Huawei at the forefront of mobile video technology? It's too soon to confirm, but what's certain is that Huawei is seriously stepping up its game. If they succeed in minimizing video noise, delivering powerful image stabilization, and enhancing dynamic range, then yes, the Pura lineup could become a serious contender in video-centric smartphones. Of course, we'll need to wait for the official unveiling to get the full picture.